Minister Honorable Dr. Terrance Drew hosted the media for a second in the series of special interviews on key matters of national importance on Thursday. Here's that report.
Prime Minister Honorable Dr. Terrance Drew hosted the media for the second in the series of special interviews on key matters of national importance on Thursday. Questions asked and answered ranged in topic, including health, the poverty alleviation program, inter-Caribbean travel, national security, and the Prime Minister's most recent meeting with CARICOM leaders in the Bahamas. In the area of health, the Prime Minister announced plans for the construction of a new hospital, which he said is not a choice but a necessity. He said the plan is to build a technologically driven climate-smart hospital.
With this new hospital, we'll be able to serve our people much better. We'll make sure that it is modernized. And we want this hospital to be accredited as well. With the changes in the climate, and all of us are aware of climate changes, we are expecting stronger hurricanes. We are expecting more dry seasons. We are expecting also the insidious changes that will take place. So therefore, the hospital that we have, based on what is taking place with the climate, it is not in good stead to withstand that. So this is not even a choice that we have in the matter.
He said the decision for the new hospital comes as the scope of work for the upgrades required at the JNF General Hospital would cost approximately the same amount as a new hospital. The Prime Minister noted that the government already has a reliable source of funding available for the hospital that is expected to cost over $23 million.
We have an estimation of a cost of it with everything. One of the costs that were given to us was $23 million to build the hospital without the equipment, and with the equipment could be another $10 to $15 million. We are looking at various sources of funding. One of them, of course, is a concessionary loan, which we are considering, very low interest, with a grace period of about 3 to 5 years, and the payment plan is very, very affordable. That is one of the things that we are looking at this point in time. We'll seek donations also to help us to do that. So we have already we have a good source of funding already of about $50 million, which is a good concessionary loan, which gives us that period of time in which we can pay back.
Prime Minister Drew also disclosed a possible site for the new hospital with approximately 15 acres of available land.
That land is virgin land, nothing has been built on it before, and where the land is most appropriate is right in front of the medical school, nursing school. You have Ross University. So the plan is to create what you call a healthcare hub right there, and we will build a research lab also. So when you get into that space, you're in a healthcare hub.
The Prime Minister said the hope is that the new hospital will also be used to serve neighboring islands, thereby attracting new persons to St. Kitts and Nevis.